We will take Git. We already took, but now we will start working on. We will create new organization, and then we will do this. Like we will create repository and all. Okay. So first, I need to create new organization. I think last time we created one organization. Assignment, customer, national banking. Last time we created an organization. Yes, assignment, customer. Okay, let me create new organization. So we'll create P1. Organization name we will give Mulesoft. This will be banking first. Okay. In short, like we can say, this is not a complete project. This is a one module of project. Okay. Since within 2 months, like we can't do one complete project. Okay. So this is just a one module of project customer information. Okay. Email. Let me use this command Mule training. Then for other member, I will give access. Okay. I can do one thing. I will give access to one person and he will give access to everyone. So who has good command in this Git?
Your voice is breaking.
Oh, is it
Not
better
able
now?
to understand.
Okay, so what I'm saying, I will give access to 1 or 2%. Let me give to these 2%, and you need to give access to everyone. Okay, I will make you group admin. Okay, first let me create organization, and I will give access to 2%, and that person will give access to everyone. So contact email command maintaining my customer account. If I run search by full name. Okay. So Alisa and Kishore, can you check, have you received any notification for this project, for this organization, Mulesoft customer information?
Yes, I received.
So once I will share the list of email ID, what you need to do, you need to go. Okay, let me first, can you accept that? I will give you admin access. Kishore, you can also accept. New one. Please, can notice. It is getting clear. Let me know once you will accept.
Yeah, joining in second.
So you can see here, these two people hasn't accepted, so they are coming here in pending. Okay, and this link will expire in 1 week. So once we will communicate in group, we have given you Git access. Accept that invitation within 1 week. Otherwise, like that link will expire and you will not able to be part of this team.
Please check. I'm already joined in the group.
So you can see here, like for me, it's coming as a owner, but for these two people, it's coming as a member. So if you will be a member, then whatever repository I will create, you will not able to do any kind of modification. Only you will have read access. Okay, and you will not able to add any new member in this organization. So what I will do, I will go here and here you can see change role. Go to this change role and make it as a on. Okay, now you will have all the access, all the rights. Okay, but be careful, don't do any kind of commit or anything. Okay, I will change this access again back to member once you will give everyone Git access. Since I don't want, like, if by mistake also you will do commit, then everyone will use the code. Okay, so I don't want that. But for now, till you will give access to everyone, I'm making you agent. But yeah, you will able to create new repository and you will able to do everything. So for practice purpose, what I will suggest, same account, you can create new organization and do all the practice there.
So Ravi, when you are sending this link invitation,
That like by today, tomorrow, will pass you that one Google form. You need to fill that form and then we'll give you access. Okay.
okay.
Maybe by Monday, I will give you that Google form and you need to fill. Okay. So now Lisa and Chris, how you will give access to everyone? So you will click on this invite member. You will put their mail ID and at a time you will able to select only one. Okay. Once you will give their mail ID. Okay. One more person can give their mail ID. Just give your mail ID. I think we have already. Let me take from here only. Okay. So what you need to do, I'm telling again, Lisa and Chris, invite member. Okay, before that, you need to, let me start from very scratch. First, you need to select this organization, Mulesoft customer information. This one. This is organization. This same organization. Customer onboarding, banking project, working. This is the same one. Okay, I don't want to name like this. So let me update name first. Okay, otherwise this pattern is also good. Mulesoft customer information and banking project. Banking project. So we change this organization name, setting, then Name organization. Understand. So I'm taking you again. So first you need to select organization here. In your case, if you are new member, so you will be able to see only one. So you will go to this customer information banking project and then click on view organization. And then here you will be able to see people. Select this one and invite member. Here you will enter that email ID. Then it will come in drop down. Select this, click on invite. And then you must need to select this member one. Select default one. Don't give an honor access to anyone. Give member access. Send invitation. Okay, so he will receive invitation and at the same time he will receive one email. Okay, so I will collect all the 30 mail ID and I will provide to you. Okay, so is it clear to Anisa and Kishore, please?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay, now coming to this, like we have multiple options here. So first I will go to repository and here like we will have like multiple API we are going to develop here and multiple projects we are going what you can say Mule application or Mule project we are going to develop here. So our first will be customer information, create customer information. Okay, so for that I will create one repository. So repository will be customer information. So source will be front end. Target will be DB. Okay, that source target we will not put here. Customer information. Happy app version. Okay, so I will follow this naming convention. So customer information like related to which functionality we are going to develop API customer information. So we will have three project or Mule application, one SAPI, one process API, one XP API. So this is for system API. And then system API application version 1. So this is version 1. You should give versioning. So in future, if there will be more version, then it will be easy to maintain. This will be private repository. Add a readme file. Template I will not add. We don't need any license. And then, okay, this repository name is main at this point. I will change from main to master. I will show you how to do. Mostly you will see master, then develop, then SIT like that. Okay, main repository you will not see. It means many few project maintains name as a main also, but mostly you will see master repository. Okay, so first let me create this repository. So this is branch name. So this is master main branch name. Branch name is main, but I don't want this. So to there will be one option. Let me see where I will get that option. For that, let me see I started recording or not. Yes. So here I will get that option to change from branches. So this is coming as a main. I want to change it as a master. Okay. Name this. Okay. A part of this, I will create more branch. Okay. So one is master, another one will create develop. And then another one we will create staging. Staging. Double G, no? Staging spelling. Is it correct? Staging only,
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So like for our project, we will have 3 branches. So master will contain this. So master will contain production code, whatever we will have in production. Staging will contain SIT and UAT code, and develop branch will contain develop code, like whatever code we are doing. First, we will do on top of develop branch. Then we will move that to staging branch and we'll move that code on into SIT and UAT environment. And then once that will pass the SIT UAT, we will move that code into master branch, and then master branch code will be deployed on pre-prod first for all the validation, like for NIDA, and then for like other activity like load testing, performance testing, and then that code will move, same code will move from master to production environment. Okay, I'm saying it again. So as a developer, whenever we want to do any change, first we will do on top of develop branch. Now in develop branch also, we will not do it directly. So first we will create feature branch on top of develop branch. So each developer will create their own feature branch. That feature branch can be name of the, can be on top of, like, can be name of the project, can be name of the developer. Better to keep story name or some project name, what exactly you are going to do. Okay. So first you will create feature branch on top of develop branch. You will do required change, or if it is new development, you will do new development. Then you will move everything in develop branch. Okay. And if there will be any code conflict, since multiple developer can work at a time on same code. So if there will be any conflict, you will resolve the conflict. And then that develop branch code will be deployed on develop environment. Then you will do testing everything there. If everything is good on develop environment, then you will deploy that code onto, sorry, you will move, do we say, you need to create pull request. I'm not sure, like everyone is here from IT background, so if you are, then you should know about this process. Otherwise, during this project, we will see that process. So once everything is done in develop environment, we will verify code is good, everything is working fine. Then we will create our pull request, and there should be some approval. Okay, so once they will approve that, then we will move that code into staging branch, and then that code will be deployed on this SIT environment. Once then testing team will complete their integration testing. And once SIT will be completed, that code will move to UAT branch. Then user will do testing. User means BA people will verify everything and they will do testing. Once the testing is also done, then we will deploy, like create again pull request from staging to master branch. Okay, and then master branch code will be deployed on pre-prod environment for all this kind of testing, like load testing, NIT. Okay, and just give me one. Okay, so master branch will contain, like once we will create a pull request and code will move to master branch, then that code will be deployed on pre-prod environment. And we will do all like pre-prod environment, it will be similar to production environment where we do this load testing, performance testing, then sanity testing, and then at the end we do NIT also. Okay, once everything will be done, then that code will move from like during production deployment, same master branch code we will deploy on production. So hope everyone understand this branching, like why we maintained multiple branching and how and where we should use. But project to project it can be vary, but most of the project follow this pattern only. Let me know
Uh,
if anyone has any doubt.
suppose if feature branch is created by me, so
Yes,
any other developer can access that feature branch also.
yes, they can access, but ideally they should create their own feature branch and they should do change there.
They will clone my code and they will import and they will change in this way.
No,
Okay.
like everyone will work on top of develop branch. Okay. So if you want to do any change, you will take code from develop branch, you will do change here. At the same time, if other developer want to do any change, they will also take code from develop branch. Okay. And then once you will complete or once he will complete, he will commit his code on develop branch. Once another person will complete, he will also commit his code on develop branch. There, there may be like a chance of code conflict since whatever like he did on top of that, you also did something. Okay. So what change should be there that you need to identify that conflict, you need to identify which part like that another developer code should be there or your code should be there. So that should be identified and then you should remove that code conflict and that should be merged together in develop branch. Is it clear to everyone? So everyone clear with this or any doubt? If not, then fine. We will close our today's session 30 minutes earlier. Okay. Since next we will start working on this functional design document and grammar. That will be a completely different topic. So I don't want to start today. Okay. So we'll start tomorrow and we will connect same time like 9:30 EST and 7 p.m. IST. Okay, anyone has any doubt from previous any session? Let me know quickly. Otherwise, we'll close our session.
So tomorrow you